Hello everyone and welcome back. How to log in to your Reliance Mutual Fund account. First, go ahead and open Chrome browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and type in Reliance Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, or you can just click on the Reliance Mutual Fund. If you want to log into your Reliance Mutual Fund, you can log in through the site. Go ahead and click on the login button, which you can see over there. This will take you to the official login portal. Press OK and then write down your user ID in the box over there. After that, write down your password and make sure to check the password by clicking on the eye icon. Ensure your user ID and your password are correct. Enter the CAPTCHA, which is over there, and then click Login. This way you can successfully log in into your Reliance Mutual Fund account, also known as Nippon India Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.